Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has classified Meta as a hold accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.01. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 3.62%. This equates to an average return of 0.72% each day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned in the upper segment of a very broad and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $671.54 will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 6.43% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 19.56% to 7.18%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 22.06%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 8.18% to positive 42.50% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $612.28 and $950.23. Our latest daily update from Meta includes the headline "Evaluation of Meta stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Meta stock price decreased by approximately 0.6% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, moving from $670.90 to $666.85. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.59%, with a low of $665.03 and a high of $675.58. The stock has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.13% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day, which typically indicates a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movements. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 4 million shares, resulting in a total of 12 million shares traded, valued at approximately $7.7 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $740.89, while the lowest price was $442.65. Currently, the price is 9.99%, or $74.04. Below the 52-week high of $740.89, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms has made headlines today by signing a landmark 20-year deal with Constellation Energy to procure nuclear power from its Clinton facility in Illinois. This agreement marks a significant step for Meta, as it looks to meet the escalating energy demands driven by its artificial intelligence initiatives. The arrangement is notable not only for its longevity, but also as a pivotal partnership between a major tech firm and the nuclear sector. The focus on nuclear power aligns with broader industry trends, as leading tech companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon also seek reliable energy sources for their data-intensive operations. By securing a long-term energy supply, Meta positions itself advantageously to support its AI ambitions while contributing to the clean energy narrative, a move that is likely to resonate positively with investors and stakeholders concerned about sustainability. In terms of stock performance, while Meta's shares appeared flat in early trading following the announcement, this deal could have positive implications in both the short and long term. In the short term, the strategic nature of this partnership could mitigate energy cost volatility and enhance operational efficiency, particularly as AI demands grow. For the long term, as the nuclear sector gains momentum, driven by governmental support and corporate investment, Meta may benefit from increased investor confidence. This could potentially lead to an uptick in its stock price as the market reacts to its proactive energy strategy. Overall, this pioneering move places Meta at the forefront of the energy transition within the tech industry, setting a benchmark for future endeavors in sustainable energy sourcing. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book value as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support can be expected at $649.04 and $593.45. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top on Monday, June 2, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 0.604%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a current sell signal originates from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Additionally, volume declined alongside the price during the last trading session, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 2 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 22 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 28 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $586.50 and $585.77. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Meta finds support at $586. If this level is broken, the next points of support from accumulated volume will be at $585.77 and $504.73. This stock exhibits average movements during the day, and, with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $10.55 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.59%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.83. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $670.9. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $586. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of May, 2025, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 519 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Olivon Javier conducted an insider sale of 517 shares of Class A common stock. Earlier, on the 20th of May, 2025, Newstead Jennifer again conducted an insider sale of 519 shares of Class A common stock. On the 19th of May, 2025, Olivon Javier carried out another insider sale of 517 shares of Class A common stock. Also, on the 19th of May, 2025, Kimmet Robert M. conducted an insider sale of 475 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 21.756. In total, insiders purchased 119,572 shares and sold 186,921 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $639.45, reflecting a decrease of 4.11%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta presents several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the previous day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we anticipate that Meta will open higher by $2.30, starting at $669.15. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.